Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 2 awesome legitimate ways to get Spotify Premium for free on your iOS device. Yes, you heard that right, minus no hacks, no illegal methods, just the official trials that Spotify offers. So, if you want to unlock those ad-free tunes and enjoy all the cool features of Spotify Premium, make sure you stick around for both methods. Alright. The first method is the simplest one, minus the Spotify Premium free trial. If you're a new user or you've never tried Spotify Premium before, you can sign up for a 1-month free trial. This is a completely official offer, and Spotify lets you enjoy all premium features without any restrictions. You can use VPN or use payment method as the country you have to get this trial. You can use debit card to get this trial, and you can sign up it again with new account to get the trial again. Second trick that is about an awesome music streaming alternative to Spotify on your iPhone. Yes, I'm talking about eSound. But we're not just going to stop there. I'll also be showing you some great alternatives to Spotify that might just become your new favorite app. So, eSound is a free music streaming app that gives you access to over 150 million songs. And yes, that's a huge library, just like Spotify. Now, if you're tired of the same old, or just looking for something fresh, eSound could be the app you need. Its user interface is reminiscent of Spotify, featuring a green theme design and options that make navigation intuitive for users familiar with Spotify's layout. It is the best alternative Spotify for iOS device for free. So there you have it. Several ways you can enjoy Spotify Premium for free on your iPhone. Remember, always stick to the legal routes to avoid any trouble with your account. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.